Hello and welcome back. Now in this video we're going to be talking about the sales funnel overview, which we have discussed in previous overview videos. And we want to answer the question if there are any limitations. And we want to talk a little bit about pricing in general. You might be thinking maybe I can raise my price 10 times over and maybe I can make even more, generate even more income. And you want to kind of get a sense for how these offers tend to work and want to give you some parameters to work with. Also, you might get some ideas about, well, how many upsells can I offer? Maybe I can offer 4 upsells or 5 upsells. If 3 generate a significant amount more, maybe if I do more, I can make even more with upsells. So let's talk about some of those parameters in this video. Now, in terms of pricing, you want to consider where you are in the marketplace. When your product is being offered in a marketplace like the Warrior Forum, where there are other buyers, where there are other product sellers, and the market tends to be at a certain price, you want to be right in that price range. You don't necessarily want to be too high above the average price or too far below the average price. You want to be right in there, especially when you're first getting started. A lot really depends on where your buyer is going to see this offer the first time. If they're seeing it from an affiliate that tends to sell higher price products, higher ticket products, they want to have your price at a higher ticket. But if the affiliates you're working with, they probably sell lower end products, you want to probably be right in that area so that you can generate income and they can too on a particular product launch. Now, in general, you want to keep your front end right around $17 to $37. And you don't want to go too low. You might think, well, if I offer this product at $9, right, which is where you've probably seen a number of products available for internet marketing or internet marketers in other niches. If you do that, you are not necessarily giving your affiliates the opportunity to profit significantly. And typically, an affiliate likes to see the opportunity to earn that much on a particular sale. Of course, there are ways to do that. You can give 100% of your profit or 100% of the commission to the affiliate. But basically, you want to keep that front end offer between $17 and $37. That gives your affiliates the opportunity to earn on a sale, and it also gives you the opportunity to earn on that sale also. Now, that first upsell, you want to keep that right at around $97. You can go as low as $40, and if you're going to be on the lower end for your front end offer, well, you can go down to $40, but typically that first upsell, you want to have that right around the $97 level, and you want to give your buyer the opportunity to have additional resources. You want to maximize their resources, giving them the opportunity to take your product and really have everything there is available. So you want to expand their resources in that first upsell. Now, in the second upsell, you typically want to give them the opportunity to participate in some kind of community or to get some continual help, to get some continual support. And that tends to fall in the area of a membership where you are providing value on a continual basis. Whether that value is additional content, additional training, additional resources, interviews, all of those things, they're going to come to your buyer on a monthly basis. You want to keep that in the range of $20 to $37 a month. Now, this is different from the first upsell because this offer, right, this second offer really gives you the opportunity to generate what's called continuity income. In other words, this is income that every time your buyer buys, every buyer that actually decides to take you up on this offer, well, they're going to be providing you income on a continual basis every single month. This is a great way to generate income over and over and over again from your initial front-end sale. Now, this third offer is actually going to be what's called a high-ticket offer typically. You're going to give your buyer the opportunity to move faster, to be able to get a head start, and they're typically willing to, people who are serious about their business are willing to invest in being able to get started faster, because they know they're going to put this in place. They're going to actually get that amount back because they're getting started quickly. They know that if they commit that amount, they're probably going to actually do what they've actually purchased in the actual product. And that's really across any niche. That's in the make money online niche, that's in the weight loss niche, that's in just about any popular niche where information products are sold, giving people the opportunity to pay more, significantly more, in order to commit themselves and to get better and faster results in that third upsell. So your buyer has now seen 4 upsells, and if they've seen actually four different offers, they've seen 3 upsells and 4 offers. Now that means that you could make, in this scenario, between $77 and $668 per customer, depending on where your pricing is. Now that's significant when you think about it, because your pricing actually gives your pricing really moves your buyer through your marketing funnel and gives them the opportunity, once again, to get the extreme value out of the entire purchase. You've created a system for them to purchase your product, but also to use it and to get started with it quickly. Now, in terms of the limitations, you probably should not go beyond 3 upsells. Testing indicates that a 4th upsell tends to be a little too much. You probably ought not try a 4th upsell. There are marketers who have tried it, and you might feel inclined to give it a try. But most testing indicates that a 4th upsell is probably going beyond what a customer is willing to endure, and one that you don't want to make him or her upset when they first make their purchase. You want to keep them happy because, of course, you want to be able to market to them continually. You want to be able to market to them over and over again. Now, for some markets, 3 upsells are too many, and you really need to understand your market. You really want to understand your marketplace and what it is that your buyers, your prospects will tolerate, and what they feel is good value for what it is that they are going to purchase. So this is a case where you really want to determine what's happening in the marketplace. Now, this might mean that you might want to get on a couple of mailing lists. That means that you might want to, if possible, if you might get review copies of other products. You really do want to know what's happening and what buyers are actually doing. That doesn't mean that it's going to stop you from doing what you feel is good for your business. You do want to find out what the marketplace is doing and structure your offer or offers accordingly. So with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video.